Hi, my name is Puja Khatri and this is the report on the Coca-Cola Company. Let's start with background. Coca-Cola Company is the ultimate manufacturing and distributing company of soft drinks. It sells products on different names such as Coke, Diet Coke, Coke No Sugar, Sprite, Fanta, and so on. The headquarters of the Coca-Cola Company lies in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. The company has target market all over the world, Europe, Asia, Middle East, and so on. Let's start with the procurement. There are over 13,400 suppliers. 75% of procurement cost is spent on countries of business operation and 96% in European Union. The Coca-Cola evaluates suppliers according to CRS from EcoVadis and Carbon Challenge result. The company has classified suppliers into three groups. Group critical suppliers. These are responsible for main ingredients, for example, raisins, beverage bases, sweeteners, and so on. Then country strategic suppliers. They are suppliers located at the local area. Tactical suppliers. They supply limited supplies. Now distribution. It utilizes local resources and allows distribution from directly production plant. This is practiced in Oslo, Norway, and Clamart in France. Coordinating among the suppliers. Plants and bottling companies are established locally alongside the suppliers to reduce freight. Learning from various supply routes from consumers. There are 28 main consumers in backhaul arrangement like Tesco and Booker's to minimize the freight movements. Third-party hauliers perform most of the deliveries which target carbon reduction. One of such example is EcoCombis truck that carries 40% more journey. Similarly, in Sweden, dual-fuel trucks and biofuel operating trucks are used. Now manufacturing. It all starts when the water is specially treated to correct natural salt concentration. Then the treated water is added with sugar to form syrup, followed by filtration. The final syrup is formed when the solution is mixed with the concentrate. When the final solution is cooled down, sparkling drink is formed. And when carbon dioxide is added to it, carbonated drinks are formed. There are over 250 bottling business partners and various local Coca-Cola company where the drinks are packaged, sealed, coated, and labeled. Question 2. This is the diagram of supply chain of Coca-Cola Company. It starts with suppliers who are responsible to supply for production of vanilla, lemon oil, carbon dioxide, sugar, water, corn, and so on. Then it is passed to manufacturers who manufacture concentrates, are responsible for packaging and bottling. Then it is passed on to distributors who are responsible for warehousing, transport and sales, wholesalers, vending machine, retailers. Then the whole brand is promoted through advertisement. Finally, the consumers purchase and consume the product. The information flow in the Coca-Cola Company includes product information, goods title, price, warehousing, customer queries, order and delivery, delivery status, schedule of delivery, tracking, bills and payments, cash flow information, inventory records, financial transaction, and so on. Question 4. Type of supply chain. Made-to-stock method is used by the Coca-Cola Company as it produces products in fast-paced manner and at low cost. This is completely directed by the manufacturer. Continuous flow method is used by the company as it is meant to produce the products in high volume and where in its step of production something is added. Next, inventory management. It uses MRP system and MRPII systems for the inventory records. Inventory management decreases the inventory numbers such as raw products like syrup, bottles. It also helps us to know when to restock according to the consumer demand. Usually the products are stored at inventory for only a few days, after which they are mobilized to their designated retailers. If there is unexpectedly greater product demand, then the products are obtained from the finished products from the plants nearby. The inventory turnover ratio is 0.95 in 2020, which implies that there has been excessive amount of stocking, which all accounts for waste. Logistics strategies. There are over 900 bottling and manufacturing companies in the world, 250 independent franchises operating in 200 different countries. Franchises control distribution centers and transportation. For example, there are 13 franchises in Mexico controlling over 20,000 trucks that serve 11,000 routes, finally equals out to 3.5 million times travel weekly. The Central Americana warehouse, located in Gustavo, uses double dollies by FEMSA and flat-nosed trucks called chatos by Arca, both of which save fuels. Question 5. If I was to be an operation manager, I would like to focus on the following things. First, inventory should be stocked according to the customer demand to reduce additional costs and space. Supply chain with labor intensiveness must be minimized by incorporating machinery. Advanced software should be used to detect any abnormalities in the information flow. Appropriate investment and spare mechanical parts should be arranged to solve any glitch in operating bottling activities. Franchises should be given the ownership of distribution centers, transport vehicles, and trucks to efficiently carry out the supply chain. Finally, flexibility in routes should be considered because distributing in cities and populated areas can be delayed. Finally, the conclusion. The Coca-Cola Company is one of the biggest companies in the world. Different raw materials are received from the agricultural area, which are then used to manufacture the product's secret syrup. After the product solution is formed, it is sent to the bottling parties. Finally, the Coke bottles are manufactured and then distributed to the consumers. All of these processes are effective and efficient when there is proper inventory, reduced long-distance freight, quality of mechanical equipment used in plants, and using a good software to track all the information. And here are the reference list. Okay, thank you very much.